Hey everyone, just a quick update. My new Pandemic's arrived. My collection is growing. I'm going to do a quick unboxing right now. Hey everyone, it's Ashley here, Nerfenstein. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Pandemic Anniversary Edition. So excited. I got this cool little pen for pre-ordering. It's pretty nice. And I got the pre-painted miniatures, which in fairness are some of the nicest pre-painted that I've seen. I'll pop them over here and I'll put some pictures here so you can see them more clearly. Really cool. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here it is. Got the board out. So when you open it, it looks like this. That one was stuck to the board, I think. So I've got the rules. The only thing is I have to keep the lid held up. It falls down. So rules, not too big. Nice cards. Definitely nicer than the original ones, though that does have a special place in my heart. I'll move it over a bit so you can see. Action cards. Sweet. Oh, these are nice. Check these out. The disease containers. Very cool. I'll put pictures up so that you can see them more clearly. And strange, we've gone back to wooden pieces, which I kind of like. There we go, wooden cubes. Nice chunky disease tokens as well. As I say, I'll pop some pictures up so that you can see what they look like out of the bag. So they're pretty cool. The cards, again, put pictures up. And the figures, which I will be swapping these out for the painted ones, as I mentioned in the opener. That's it. That's my unboxing, quick though it was, of Pandemic Anniversary Edition, 10th Anniversary Edition. Pandemic's my favourite game, so I can't wait to get this one to the table. Hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Nerfenstein out.